Welcome to my new home.
Boom, boom, boom.
Wow, this is so weird. Like, I have a new place.
You're a homeowner. Well,
No, not really. So, guys.
should I take off my shoes? Oh wait, I already took them off.
Alright guys, what's up? It is me, Franny, and today I am going to be showing you guys my new apartment. I'm so excited to be showing all my new place. So let's just get started. Let's get right into it because it's not a huge place, so it probably won't take that long. But I'm gonna show y'all.
Let's do it. Woo! Do I get keys to this place or because I'm the cute cameraman or?
No.
Okay.
As you can see here, a staircase up to somewhere.
We can put like photos of me here or photos of like you, me, Nessa, Emily, like the boys, the good old days.
Could you imagine just like a freaking, that'd be intense. Alright, anyways. So, here is the first floor.
Woo! Oh,
So,
nice.
I have no furniture in here yet because I leave to New Jersey tomorrow for playlist and I'm there for a week to do a bunch of stuff and to see my family. So, I haven't gotten there yet, but when I get back, that is the first thing I'm going to be doing is completely going ham on this apartment, furnishing it, getting everything ready to go. I have this light on because it's a little dark right now. I need to get more lamps, more lighting, more really bright light bulbs. But yeah, so here's the living room. You do
Pretty big.
snow angels. Oh wait, I'm doing it wrong. How do you do snow angels?
You suck.
I really love carpet. So does David.
Yeah. First thing I said, I was like, yes, carpet. It feels like home.
It's just really nice. It feels very homey to me and cozy. I think that's the biggest part of this place. This place feels very cozy and it reminds me of home, like back in Jersey with my family, so that's why I love it. Okay, anyways. Guys, leave me comments down below of what you think, you know, where I should put stuff, like what I should put above the fireplace, what I should put here next to the kitchen.
TV, second TV, third TV, main TV.
There's a huge home theater right here. That'd be pretty cool. That's just too much work, I think. Let's just keep going.
Wait, you should get a pool table. You getting any like games or something?
No way.
Okay, I just like pool.
What is this, a K&J house? No. All right, so here is the kitchen, small little kitchen. Don't need anything big. Honestly, I don't even cook that much. I should, but I don't. But yeah, here's my kitchen.
This is perfect, honestly, for a cooking show. Check it out. Cooking with Fran.
Yeah, so I have barely nothing. I have like granola bars, some Pam olive oil, and water.
Earlier, I wanted to tell them how to open the refrigerator, and there was just almond butter in there.
I don't even know why it was in there. I don't know. Let's keep on.
Good, it's nice.
So I have to like be careful because people live downstairs. So I'm like stomping like. Alright, anyway.
Screw them, dude. Oh, I'm just kidding. Get you kicked out early.
I know. Alright, here is the half bathroom.
Ooh.
So here's the half bathroom.
Oh,
This
a
is.
lot of toilet paper, dude.
I love. Yeah, I know. I love half bathrooms. Like they're the best thing. Cause I don't mind my friends using my bathroom and stuff, but it's just nice when guests come over. They have like somewhere else than my room to use. I don't know.
You trying to throw shade at me, friend?
So over here is a coat closet that is completely stuffed. Completely
How many
stuffed.
guests do you have? Huh? Who's here? What the hell? Oh my god, they heard my stomping.
Did they? Go down there, I'm scared.
No, I don't want to do it. Go.
You go. Oh, maybe it's Nessa.
Okay.
Open. What did you think it was? No.
She was so scared.
I was scared.
She was so scared she stopped even recording. She was like,
Why are you so scared?
"Bro,
What did you think it was? Because David started stomping. I thought it was the people downstairs to yell at me.
She was like, David, don't stop.
Franny, when she thinks she's in trouble, is a whole other Franny.
Oh, it smells good in here. That's what it was.
Give it to
It was
me.
my fault.
You got so scared. You know what? You're a bad friend. You just left me there. And you're like,
David. Kids don't. There's a family next door.
Downstairs. All right. Anyways.
Well, I want to meet them, okay? What if the kids got like cool games that I'm gonna be playing when I come over?
What? Can't be friends with them, David.
She never lets me do anything.
Oh my god. All right. So anyways, as I was saying, so here is the coat closet that has all my coats in it. I need to rearrange my clothes, because I have a lot and it doesn't all fit in my room. I need to buy a dresser so I can put like my t-shirts and like shorts and jeans in there. But I'm gonna figure it out. But for now, these are gonna stay in here. All right, so now another set of staircase.
It's like a workout.
I know.
Jesus Christ.
All right, so here are all the boxes.
Oh, nice. This is cool.
Right, yeah. So now here's the laundry. You know, I did laundry today. I feel like an adult already.
Very nice.
Here's a little linen closet that has no linens, just towels in it. I need to reorganize this, but like I said, I'm going ham on this apartment when I get back.
Nice.
It's just way too much. This is my roommate's bedroom.
Little clue right here.
This is my roommate's bedroom. They said it was okay for me to film in here, so I just wanted to make sure. I'll be revealing that very soon, probably this week.
Okay.
Their bathroom,
Nice.
walk-in closet, and then a other closet. So they have a lot of closet space.
Very nice.
More space than me. All right, now my room is in here. So my room is basically the same thing as it was at the old place, except obviously different. Have my bed, bedside table, vanity still. I need to get my TV mounted onto the wall probably when I get back. I need to buy a dresser to organize everything. Like, my closet is jam-packed. Last night Nessa came over, helped me organize everything. Thank you, Nessa. And look at this cheeky thing we found. That was the best thing that I possibly could have found. What the hell? Yeah, this is the most convenient thing I've ever found.
How many shoes you have, dude?
I have a lot, and I have more downstairs and I have more in here.
I have like 3 slots I would just fill it. Everything else would be empty.
This is another thing. I need to go through all of this again, and I need to just not throw out, but I need to just get rid of a lot of clothes, like donate it or something. This one's a little, you know, snug with my stuff.
Just a little makeup setup over here.
Yeah, I'm kind of just still figuring out what I'm doing. I don't know whether if I'm gonna move my makeup to a different place and buy a dresser, so I might set up my brushes on the dresser. I don't know what I'm doing yet. But yeah, here's my bathroom.
Double vanity, I dig it.
Yeah, yesterday when I got the keys to the place, I didn't realize there's no shower curtain. And I text Nessa, I'm like, Nessa, we gotta go to Target, I need a shower curtain. Because I wanted to shower so badly last night.
A little stinky?
Yeah, I was sweating all day from moving, you know.
Nice.
And then my bathtub. I have a bathtub now, so I can take bubble baths.
Bath bombs.
Boom, go to Lush. Yeah, and I got my cable and Wi-Fi set up today. I have not had cable TV since I lived in Jersey. So what, almost 3 years. And I kid you not, today, I've been watching Jersey Shore on MTV all day long. Like, they were having reruns of the old episodes, and then they were having all the new family vacation, like the new episodes. I've just been like binge watching it. So happy.
She watched the first thing, she's like, David, you have no idea. I love cable TV.
I love it, I miss it. I just like love the fact that I could like just watch the news. Like, I love Netflix, but like the fact I could just watch the news when I want, or Jersey Shore, or go on like Showtime or HBO and watch a movie. Why not?
You gonna show my room?
Dave, you don't live here.
Look over there, look over there.
Oh yeah, this is David's room.
So I'm gonna edit her videos and all that cheeky stuff.
We're gonna store David in here.
Look there, guys, that's all me right there.
David literally comes out here and he goes, hey look, this is my room. I'm like, if you want.
Oh yeah, then I just
Yeah,
like
so, this is fun
stalk
work.
you from in here and be like, Franny.
It's kind of creepy. I also love townhouses. That's why I got this place. I love having 2 stories just because, I don't know, I just like the whole like, if you want to just chill downstairs in the living room, dining, you're good. Come upstairs to bedrooms. I don't know, I love 2 floors. Even though that they can be annoying, I love them. So I got it. that's really it. This is my apartment. It's not that big. I mean, it is big, but it's not like the other 2 places that I've lived in. But I love it. It's so cozy. And I think I just like smaller, more just snug, cozy apartments. I can't wait to introduce you guys to my new roommate. I will probably be doing that this week sometime, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's about it, right, David?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave comments down below of what I should do, if I should rearrange my room a different way or something. Because, you know, this room is a lot smaller than my old room, so I'm trying to make everything fit, you know, nicely. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know exactly what I do. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.